So we're in the assignment B document and we're at section 5. Remember to run your libraries before starting. The outcomes for this session is to conduct a permutation test, interpret the results, find the probability of getting an estimate as extreme as your sample estimate by chance alone from the result of the permutation test that we're going to do, and to define a p-value. The first thing you have to do is to create your answers data set, as you've done a number of times before now. So let's move on to the permutation test. So let's define the question we are trying to answer with the permutation test. We want to know whether unstimulated IP10, so that's just a variable in our data, of men and women differ in general. And like we said before, since that's our big scientific question, it's impossible for us to measure all men and women, and so we're going to take a sample. And that's what each one of you have. You have a sample of 400. We're going to do a test, a difference test with our sample to check whether unstimulated IP10 is different between men and women. And then we're going to use our result to generalize to the larger population that we care about. So the first questions you have to answer are there. I ask you to define statistical significance, ask you to answer the second question and the third question. You can read that and answer them. And when you've done that, we'll move on to the next section.